Dating apps are a wasteland, people. A beautiful, chaotic, glorious wasteland.
He says that every week, and every week he re-downloads them.
Okay, let's get messy. We're bringing a fan on. Kevin, are you ready for us?
Wow. Hi, guys. I can't believe this is real.
Welcome to the mess, Kevin. What's on your mind tonight?
I had this amazing date from Hinge. We really connected. Then he just ghosted me.
Classic. Tell us everything. No names, just the gory details.
We went to Bar Fiore. He had the funniest stories. We talked about Audre Lorde.
What did I do wrong?
Jamal, you good?
You did nothing wrong, Kevin. Sometimes people are cowards. I once knew a guy. He went on a perfect date, maybe too perfect. He got scared of how much he liked him. So he ran. He ghosted. It was never about the other guy. It was about his own fear. That was the realest talk yet.
Movie Flow.